Harley-Davidson recently debuted the new line of 2017 motorcycles enhanced with all-new Milwaukee-Eight engines. This new engine ensures a powerful, more responsive ride with the same great comfort and control that make Harley-Davidson motorcycles great. Harley-Davidson of Montgomery is featuring a variety of 2017 touring models including the Roadster, Street Bob, Lowrider, Street Glide, Night Road, Harley-Davidson Street 500, and more. Visit www.h-dmontgomery.com for a full list of models. If you would like to take a 2017 Harley-Davidson for a ride, stop into Harley-Davidson of Montgomery today. We feature the latest and greatest motorcycles, including brand new models and pre-owned bikes. For more information, visit www.h-dmontgomery.com or call 334-245-6555.